Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll first confirm a few prerequisites. Microphone permission is on, and you have either internet access or the offline voice package installed. Once confirmed, open a text field, messages, notes, anywhere, and bring up the Vivo keyboard. Make sure the microphone icon is visible on the keyboard toolbar. If not, long press the comma or settings key to reveal extra icons. Tap the microphone to begin a short test. This immediately starts the recognition engine, so speak clearly and naturally to check levels and language selection. Now you'll configure language and dictate. Go to keyboard settings, choose your language and preferred accent so the engine maps words correctly. Once set, return to the field and tap the microphone to dictate. Speak in short phrases. Pauses help the model segment sentences and say punctuation like comma or period when needed. This ensures cleaner text you won't need to edit. If you need corrections, stop voice, edit with touch, and resume. Also, use the microphone toggle to switch back to manual typing when privacy or precision matters. Finish by reviewing the transcribed text and correcting any misheard words. Tap the spot and type the fix. If the keyboard repeatedly mistakes certain words, retrain it by pronouncing those words clearly in different contexts. This helps the model adapt. Make sure to save language packs for offline use if you rely on no network dictation. If recognition is still poor, update the keyboard app or clear its cache in settings. That often restores expected performance. And remember, quieter environments improve accuracy. Move somewhere less noisy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.